Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luciana. I'm from English department 6th semester. I want to presentation about studying in higher education. Student approach to learning, self-regulation and cognitive strategies. Next. Student approach to learning. The student approach to learning or CAL perspective and model derived from in-depth qualitative interview with students about their learning. Studying and motivation in the university context. This phenomenographic tradition originated in Europe. Research started in the 1970s when Martin and Salju 1976 conducted an ecologically valid study of the strategies students use when reading text. Next. Self-regulated learning. Recently, research have increasingly emphasized the importance of self-regulation or more broadly, the role of metacognition in learning Biggs or 1993 suggests a distinction should be made between CAL position, deriving from student report of their own study process, and information processing position based on analysis of actual cognitive processing. Next, cognitive strategies. At the same time as educational psychologists have been examining approach and regulation of learning, there has been increasing interest in examining the regulation of action. Next, what do the traditions have in common and how do they differ in both contrast and research methodologies? The three traditions share basic assumptions deriving from cognitive psychology. They all emphasize that student expectation, prior experience, and belief are unique filters that color the way they perceive events. Next, aim of the study. In this study, we explore the relationship between cognitive strategies, learning approach, and self-regulatory skill. We studied the relationship but in variable and person-oriented ways. Next, method. The context of the study. The participants in this study were students who attended a course, think fearlessly, and filled in the questionnaires used. The participants were 366 students of various subjects at the University of Helsinki, of whom 291 indicated their sex, or 226 women, 65 men and age. The age range from 18 to 55 years old. Mean 28.5 is the 838. The sample was not randomly selected. Women were overrepresented in the study. Next, procedure. The test booklet of learning or Lonka and Lindblom Yeleni 1996 and the strategy and attribution questionnaire or Nurmi et al. 1995 were given to the student during the first lectures of the course. Material. Students fill in the questionnaires between lecture because of the nature of the course, students were not pushed to return the questionnaires. Next, discussion. In the present study, we quantitatively explore relation between contrasts emerging from three different research traditions: student approach to learning, self-regulated learning, and cognitive strategies. Next, implication. For instruction, the suggestion that student cognitive strategies, learning approach, and self-regulatory skill are intertwined also has important implication for counseling and instruction. Thank you. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.